Yo, what's up? It's your boy Virgil, and I'm back with another reaction video. I know I haven't been posting for a little while. You know, I've been dealing with chronic migraines. Yes, I have chronic migraines, and I've been dealing with this sickness that, you know, little something here and there. But you know what? I'm better. You know what I'm saying? I'm better. But before I start, this is your first time seeing my face, hit that sub button and leave a like. But today we are reacting to Hood Meals cleaning, or hood cleaning, Hood Meals cleaning. I guess he's cleaning his house or his kitchen in some hood way. You know, I can't wait to see what kind of shit this is. I know it's gonna be a lot of like question marks, a lot of eye raises, you know what I'm saying? But let's get to it.
You finna get that now. Alright, so this all our cleaning supplies right here. First we're gonna grab these.
Okay. He got gloves.
I'm scared to go up in this motherfucker.
Oh, is he a house cleaning maid person? That's crazy. Who would have thought?
Oh my god,
Oh, whoa. Who living like that? Who living like that? I know that's not his spot. I hope your house ain't like this. I hope your fridge ain't like this, bro. That means your fridge is hot. That means it's plugged out. Your fridge is hot. It's plugged out. There's no way flies should be in there, bro. I hope none of y'all living like that. Oh my god. If y'all living like that, brush your tongue, cause I know your breath hot. All that shit. Real shit.
So look, this is what I do. Everything is going in the trash.
Why is there tackies in the freezer?
Taki bites?
Taki bites? Oh, that's different. Oh. Come on, dog.
Hey, this gonna be like 10 parts of this already. Oh my god, it's so stinky.
Good thing he got that mask. You know what I'm saying? I would have walked out. You gotta pay me maybe a grip to clean this house, clean that fridge, on everything.
Do you know that the average adult has 5 to 20 pounds of toxic poop in their body at any given moment? Seems crazy, right? All that poop just sitting there, rotting away. And
toxic poop? Eat your veggies? You don't have that problem. Simple. You heard it here.
Fuck! What the fuck, man? Just threw up in there?
That definitely look like vomit.
Yeah, I swear to God, this shit is so stinky. I can't even breathe right.
That's...
Oh, I gotta breathe.
Yeah, I would have definitely ran out the house. Get a breather. I didn't see him bring a water bottle. Like, he is brave. This is a brave soldier. You know what I'm saying?
Going back in. So y'all think I'm over exaggerating, bro. This mac and juice.
That's a toaster strudel icing. And I don't even see no toaster strudel. Crazy.
Funky. We almost done getting it off. Oh! What is this? Next supplies. Oh,
bro,
yes,
why he got that little ass broom and sweeper picker upper? Mr. Clean, whatever it is called, the little dustbin thing. That's a little ass thing. I ain't see no Pine Sol. I don't see no Mr. Clean bleach. He just got a brush and a little picker upper. Yo, my mouth really watery right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Like this be a poetry.
I like how he's making like little to no progress with his cleaning. Like Oh my God, bro, this is crazy.
Bitch, I promise you this whole bottle gonna be used for day. What the fuck? My lad is dying.
Bro, that's roaches in the freezer, bro.
Oh my God.
Not dead. Not frozen. Moving. Roaches in the freezer, bro. Crazy.
Oh, this shit gets free. Every last one. Go that one again to my mind. Double check this one.
Man.
Oh my God. We gotta start our sausage over.
Bro, who's living in these conditions, dog? Tuna.
Okay, we gotta dump it. We'll be right back.
I don't like the smell of tuna. If I would have smelled tuna, I'm vomiting. Like tuna, expired tuna. Tuna smells bad from the jump. Like tuna smell horrible. If I smell expired tuna, yo, my nose gonna be bleeding, esophagus gonna be bleeding, throat gonna be bleeding, mouth gonna be bleeding, a whole lot of blood, whole lot of red. You know what I'm saying? Cash card. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, Carbo. Damn. What is this?
A quesadilla, bro?
Shit.
Wow. Is that Fritos, bro? This man eats out a lot, bro. I ain't see one cooked food in there. I saw $200 worth of food, fast food, processed food.
Somebody come get this motherfucker. Somebody come get this shit out of my house. Like,
That's crazy, bro.
Damn. I can afford another one. Man, this blood so damn.
Why is he putting everything in a box? Why not a trash can? I hope he ain't taking these things home with him.
Fuck.
Cause now, hey, let me just watch this, bro.
Keep walking in and not this motherfucker. Oh, we almost through. We ain't gonna stop now. God damn, what the fuck?
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm throwing out the whole fridge. Like, you need a new fridge, yo. You can't clean, you can't save that. Is there like dry cleaners for fridges out there? I don't think so. This man has black forces on. This man has black forces on.
You know what?
He has black Air Forces. Oh my goodness. And he don't got socks. He is certified thug. I mean, let me stop. That's the only way to clean that fridge. You need to get real dirty, you know what I'm saying? I guess I'll give him a pass because he has these black forces on, but never ever buy black forces. If you see a friend wear black forces, stop talking to him. Or if you still want to like be friends with him or her, take the shoes off their feet and toss that motherfucker. But never wear black forces.
He is not gonna disrespect the hit a lick one.
Oh, he is wearing socks. I'm sorry.
Jeez, on my mama.
Them crusty ass.
Right on.
So wait. Don't take off the black forces and put on the holy white forces when they're messed up. You see, come on now. Creased, dirty, shoelaces all messed up. He changed shoes like he about to change shifts. That was the first shift. This is the third shift. The third shift requires dusty white Air Forces. What the hell was that? That looks like a gallbladder.
I only want to spray and say shit left in the bar.
Oh God. I would have thrown away the whole fridge. Like, I would have drove to that Lowe's that same day. I said, yo, I need me a U-Haul. I need me one of them them little forklifts.
Car seats, yeah.
Get this fridge out. You know what I'm saying?
It's not bad.
I put a spin to it.
No. What's going on?
Dad, this is Dom's name.
What?
Car seats. Like I said, you just want to keep spraying. There ain't nothing left in the box. You know what?
No way. Hey, he said, hey.
You want to get this? Oh, yes, sir. Let's get it.
That's how.
Elbow grease. Yes, sir.
Bro, it didn't even clean the top of the fridge, bro. Let me stop. Throw away the whole fridge, bro. Throw away the whole fridge.
You know what? Yes, sir. Take it with us. Yes, sir. Yes. Like Car 7, we get it. Yes, sir. Car 7.
He said par 7. I ain't gonna lie, this fridge is progressing. You know what I'm saying? The fridge looking a little bit more clean. You probably got a new fridge and just edited it out. Let me stop. It do look cleaner though. It's the same fridge. It's the same.
What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? That shit like oatmeal.
Oh, god damn, that's so disgusting.
Part 8.
Final results. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Still funky. We put an insect in his mouth.
Bro, he needs one of them Mr. Clean little fridge air fresheners in this thing. Got him smelling right, but like I said, I would throw away the whole fridge. That's not even a question. Like, it do look a lot cleaner though. This man got candles. I hope he ain't putting that. You putting that in the fridge? Wow. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, alright? Peace.